Paladon Systems was established in 1981 to provide valve actuators and control systems and after-sales support primarily to the oil and gas industry.
My name is Brian Eniver. I'm the Managing Director of Paladon Systems. The company was established in 1981, although it didn't start trading until a year later. The idea came from America, where I'd seen similar setups out there in the years prior. But there were opportunities in this country for a slightly more specialised area of activity. So we started in 1982, and in 1991 we opened our first facility in Aberdeen, which was to serve specifically the oil and gas developments in the North Sea. The next significant landmark really was in 2002, when we opened a manufacturing facility in Italy. Again, the idea of the location was to be close to the companies that we were supplying. In 2008, we opened an operation in the Far East, in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, again to be close to a market that we'd identified and was developing quite quickly. And then 3 years ago, we went into a joint venture with a company in Russia to manufacture or to assemble our systems locally to support the business that we were supplying to Gazprom.
Headquartered in Brixworth, England, Paladon Systems has facilities in Scotland, Italy, Russia and Malaysia. In addition to approximately 50 employees, new business growth and after-sales customer support is augmented by 10 agents strategically located around the globe.
Paladon manufactures a range of rotary and linear actuators for valve operation, primarily in the oil and gas industry, where the certainty of the operation of that device is critical. We also manufacture and develop further control components which work with that valve actuator to ensure that that valve will operate under a critical situation. We are continuing to develop that range of products, and of course in time the emphasis shifts from just certainty of operation to considerations such as the environment, where we have all to be aware of the concerns that an accident that may happen offshore can have. Recent events have underlined that fact.
With the valve automation market being extremely competitive, Paladon Systems has worked hard in its 30-year history to differentiate itself from its competitors. Managing Director Brian Eniver says, "Our biggest strengths are our close customer relationships to best address them."
Paladon has always had a close working relationship with its customers, and that, combined with our 30 years experience in this industry, means that we're able to interpret their operating requirements and design and build systems which meet the highest demands of the industry. This approach really is unique in terms of what's available from our competitors, in that we are always available here in Northampton to work with a customer on a specific application from its earliest conceptual stage right the way through to its commissioning and ongoing service life.
Our technology, coupled with our vast experience, has resulted in us currently being officially approved by nearly all the major oil and gas producers, including Shell, ExxonMobil and BP.
Paladon operates from 2 bases in the UK, the headquarters here in Northampton and in Aberdeen to service the North Sea sector. We also have a manufacturing plant in Italy. We have a joint venture company in Russia and a joint venture company in Malaysia. Paladon has always been focused on the oil and gas industry worldwide. However, in recent times we have taken some of our technology into the power generation industry and also into other process industries where the criticality of valve operation is fundamental to the design of the plant.
Oil and gas producers are always under extreme pressure and scrutiny to take every reasonable step to protect the environment, their employees and the public. And we are pleased to be able to support them with these critical initiatives.
Paladon will continue to develop the so-called greener solutions to valve automation issues, not only in the sense of pollution prevention, but also in terms of lower power consumption.